welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorchelle if you are new. If this is your first time joining, definitely consider subscribing because it is always lit over here, okay? But I'm excited today because I have another luxury unboxing to share with you all. I'm super excited. As you guys can tell by the title, your girl got another bag. I just did an unboxing of my Bottega mini loop camera bag. So if you guys haven't seen that already, I will link it in the cards, and I'll probably do an update video for that as well after I've worn it a few times. I've already been wearing it and loving it, but today we have a Jacquemus. It's my first ever Jacquemus bag, so I'm really excited. This was a little bit of an impulse buy, I'm not gonna lie, mainly because I've been thinking about destinations that I want to travel for my birthday, and I needed a bag, okay? I really wanted one in a light color that I could wear with my vacation fits, so I landed on this one and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So like I mentioned, it's from the brand Jacquemus. I got my bag off of Essence. They were having a sale. I think it was like 34%, some weird number like that. I ended up purchasing this bag from Essence because it was on sale, and I really didn't see any other retailers carry this colorway and texture, so that kind of prompted me to go and just get it at Essence. I was gonna wait, but I was like, if it goes back to full price or if it gets sold out, I'm gonna be very upset. So I bit the bullet and I just decided to purchase it. Let's take her out. Oh my gosh, this is her in her glory. So beautiful. So this is the Jacquemus Le Grand Bambino bag, and I got this in an off-white color from their Le Papier collection, which means the paper, and they had like this whole collection kind of dedicated to like cotton fabrics, linens, like very textured off-white colored items, and I was like, I need this bag. Like, if you guys can see the detail in this bag, okay, I am not tripping. It has like this kind of like tweed finish to it, so like it bubbles out, and I absolutely love the look of that. And then it also has the little Jacquemus gold hardware here. So that's the bag. This is the Le Grand size. There's a smaller size to this. There might even be two smaller sizes to this. But I decided to get the Le Grand Bambino because I really wanted to be able to fit my necessities that I would need to be like, you know, traveling around town, and this size bag just seemed perfect for me. I've seen this bag on other people and it looks big, but on me, it looks perfect. So I'm really happy with the size that I chose. So this is her. I love it, and I love it because it's very unique and it's very different. Like, I don't have anything like it in my collection. I don't have a light colored bag, and I just love how there's texture on it. Jacquemus has this style bag in so many different colors, so many different textures. They have a lot of leather colorways in this bag, but I didn't want to get a typical leather. I mean, honestly, I'd go back and get more colors because I think the bag is just beautiful, but I really wanted to get something that was different and one of a kind, and that kind of felt a little earthy. Like, this bag is perfection. I paid $605 for this bag, but right now it's actually 44% off, and it's $515. Okay, $100 cheaper than what I paid. So I actually wouldn't have done myself a disservice for waiting, but it has a fixed carry handle, which is here. It has a detachable and adjustable leather shoulder strap, which I'll show you guys in a few. It has the logo hardware, twill lining, patch pocket at the back. It's in the off-white color, and like I said, it was a part of the Le Papier collection. It's made in Italy. So that is the bag. They have different textures from this collection too that you can choose from, but I really like this one because you can really get credit for like the highs and lows of the fabric. So I really love it. So those are a little bit of specs on the bag, and let's get into the details. I mentioned it has a nice top handle bag so you can carry it this way. And it has a flap opening. So this is how you get into the bag. And I'm gonna admit, it is a little tough to open the bag all the way because the flap is very stiff. But once you get it open, you can kind of see this is what is inside. And then the straps came inside. So this is the strap. It's a leather strap. It feels really nice. Like it's a very soft, almost suede-like feeling. It's not suede, but it has a suede-like feeling. And it has the like nice little gold hardware. It's what really drew me to the bag because I'm a gold girl. So I like my bags to have a nice gold hardware. And you can easily clasp it. Easily, you can clasp it. And I love that this is detachable because you can add your own straps to it if you want a chain strap or something different, a shorter strap, a longer strap. You have the flexibility of changing the strap because they are detachable. But this also does come with an adjustment, so you can like shift the holes of where you want it. How it came is how I like it. Like it's right in the middle, and that fits me perfect, so I'll probably keep it that way. But yeah, that was inside the bag. And then also there's a little slip pocket in the back, as you guys can see. And in that slip pocket is a Jacquemus tag. I'm not sure why it wasn't attached to the bag, but it was found in that little slip pocket. And yeah, the bag came very nice. Like it was wrapped really nicely in plastic and tissue paper and everything. So it came really nicely wrapped. But yeah, the tag is in there. So I always keep my tags and authenticity cards and stuff in my bags. So I have them. So I'm just gonna keep it in that little slip pocket. That slip pocket is so narrow, you could really only fit like a couple of cards in there. And then you have just all this room to play with, which I really like. And it may look really narrow, but there's a lot of space in there. And then the closure is a magnetic closure, and it's a very hefty magnet. So very, very pretty. And then you have the back slip pocket, which again, you could probably only fit a couple of cards, and I don't even know if you'd want to put your cards back there because, you know, it's more exposed. But it is such a cute bag, you guys. I really love it. Everything from the texture, the size, like it is absolutely gorgeous. I was in between this size, the Bambino bag, but this one is gonna hold more. The grand size is definitely gonna hold more of my necessities, and it's still like a mini bag. So I really love that, and I think it's just gonna look so beautiful on vacation. The texture is amazing. The leather strap quality is amazing. Like, this bag is so nice. I also love how there's like kind of like feet at the bottom, so your whole bag is not touching a surface. It's just the outer borders, so you know you can place your bag anywhere and not really have to worry about the bottoms getting super scuffed or anything. I am curious to see how this bag is gonna hold up because it's in a fabric material. It's not a leather where I can just wipe it off. The good thing about it though is that it won't scratch, but I am curious to see like if it stains, how I will remove it. Now let's see what can fit inside the Le Grand Bambino. The first thing I'm gonna attempt to put in here is my phone. I have the iPhone 14 Pro with a case on. So that fits in. Can't really see it, but it fits. I'm gonna try and put in some Purell, fits in. It actually kind of sticks out, so I'd have to lay it down. Then I'm gonna put my YSL card holder. My card holder fits in there. Then I'm gonna put some topical lip gloss, a Bath and Body Works hand lotion. This is in the scent Snowflakes and Cashmere. That fits. AirPods. Okay, we're doing good so far. I'm gonna try and put in my contact re-wetting drops. Okay, so I feel like with all those things, my bag is filled to max capacity. So let's see if we can close it. This bag will not close. It's not gonna close, it's too stuffed. So I'm gonna get rid of my hand lotion and my re-wetting drops to see if that makes a difference. Okay, it was able to close when I removed it. I was able to put my hand lotion back in and it actually does close. It is heavy, there's definitely some weight to it, and it was a little bit of a struggle to actually get it to close, but all these things definitely fit into the bag pretty comfortably too. Like, it might take some time to kind of see where your things are, and you might have to kind of rearrange, but everything fits in there quite well. The bag, as stiff as it is, it's not as structured. Like, you can kind of move it around and zhuzh it to be able to close it. So it is flexible, but a good amount of things can be held in this bag. So I'm pretty much impressed. And that's how it looks like, nice and full. So that pretty much concludes my review on this Jacquemus Le Grand Bambino bag from the Le Papier collection. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you guys think of it. Did I pick the right texture, the right material? Let me know if you have this bag or if you own any other Jacquemus bags. Let me know which ones I need. I really love this bag. I think it's so unique. I think it's so different, and it's on sale now, so I'm definitely gonna link it below for you guys if you guys are interested in this bag. I think it's just literally one of a kind to have in your collection. Like, I feel like this could be like a sculpture in my apartment. Like, that's how beautiful this bag is, and like, it's like an art masterpiece to me. So I'm very happy with my purchase. If you guys have any questions regarding this bag, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on Jacquemus. Let me know what other bags you guys been eyeing. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. Please help to join the gang, the fam. We are always lit over here. I would love to have you guys a part of the family. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.